Hello and welcome. Over here. Now that we've seen the basics of the Forex market and how it works in a nutshell, let's look at a few easy steps that you can take in order to get involved and start trading. Let's get started. So as you can see, there are a few easy steps that you can follow in order to get yourself involved in the Forex world and get yourself started in the trading scene. You can see, first of all, you start by identifying an online broker. In our case, we use a company called markets.com. It's an online based broker, and once you've gone to their website, you can then start by opening a practice account with the broker. You can always open your live account where you use real money at a later stage, but the purpose of the practice account is that you get yourself familiarized with the software and also the ins and outs of how the Forex market works, and you will start trading in this account with visual funds, in other words fake money, until you feel that you are competent enough to start trading with real money. Then we will see at how you download the MetaTrader software into your laptop, which is free of charge. We'll then set up the MetaTrader software, and then you can log into the software and start trading. So in terms of the first step, all that you have to do is visit the markets.com website. Then you click on open free practice account. You can always have a live account as well, but for now we click on free practice account. Once this page is brought up, you then fill in your details, your name, your surname, your email. You select a password, you confirm it, then you select your telephone number. Of course, your country will be 24 followed by the rest of your number. It can either be a landline or a cell phone. You ignore the promotion code and you continue. And once you finish the registration process, you will be given a login, a password for the website, and you will also be given a login, and the password will be the same for the website and your MetaTrader. So the important thing to remember is that your login for the website is going to be your email, and your login in MetaTrader is going to be your account number for your demo account. And of course, when you're using a live account, it's going to be your live account number, and the password remains the same. Third step is going to be to download the MetaTrader software onto your laptop, and to do this you go back to the website, go back to the home page. You then come to trading platforms and select MetaTrader, and then you simply click on download MetaTrader 4. It will bring up a window that will enable you to download the MetaTrader onto your desktop. This icon is how you recognize the markets.com MetaTrader icon. You double click on it and it will allow you access into the platform. You will then be required to log into the platform using your account number and password from your practice account, and your screen should look more or less in this form. Now, in order to start practicing, you need to set up the MetaTrader software so that it's user friendly, and to do this we need to remove all the windows in your screen so that you are left with the toolbars and the blank screen. So now you start populating the screen, and the first step in populating the screen is to come to the market watch icon. As you can see, by clicking on the market watch icon, you bring up a whole series of foreign currency pairs that you can trade. You've also got gold, silver. It also gives you stocks, of different companies. You also get different indices from around the globe, as well as different commodities, and you also get bonds, from the bond market. So it's quite a comprehensive list of instruments that you can trade, but for our purposes for now we'll be focused on Forex. Now, for instance, you can then start populating this window with the price charts so that you can analyze the price, because it's the analysis of the price that gives you the trading signals. So for example, this is a pair of the Great British Pound versus USD. If you put your cursor on it, it will show you exactly which currencies you are basically about to analyze. So if we wanted to analyze the Great British Pound against the US dollar, you'd right click and you click on chart window and you'll bring up the relevant chart. Now we need to set up the chart so that it's user friendly. We'll put it in terms of candlesticks right over there. You right click, go to properties, then you can change the chart to suit. So for my purposes, a bar that is going up, I'm going to make it lime. A bar that is coming down, I will make it red. A bull candle is basically a candle that is going up, I will make it lime. And a bear candle is a candle that shows the price that is going down, so we'll make it red. And then you click. Before that, you can remove the grid lines. Some people like to have them there, but you can remove them. Then your chart will look something like this. So if you want to zoom in at the current price, you simply click zoom and you shift the chart. Then you can see the current prices. So the y-axis is the price, is the current price, and the x-axis is the time, basically. Now each of these candles represents a time frame. So in this case, since we've selected 1 hour, it means each of these candles is a period or occurs and closes over a period of 1 hour. You can put it as a period of a day. Now each of these candles represents a period of 1 day. Now you can put a number on these charts, for your analysis, and they will appear as tabs at the bottom of your screen. So if we put US dollar versus the Swiss franc, okay, it will appear as a tab at the bottom of your chart so that you don't have to keep pulling it across. Then we can save this format that we want as a template. So we simply save it as your name. Then every other chart that you open, instead of going to properties, you simply load an already saved template, and then your chart will appear. So once we have all the instruments that you want to analyze and trade, then you can close the market watch window. It is this screen that you analyze the Forex, and this is basically the software where all your trades are made. So for instance, if you believe in this example, this is the chart of the US dollar versus Swiss franc. So basically the y-axis, that line at the bottom, is telling you it would take 0.93017 Swiss francs to buy $1 at this level. Now if you had to analyze this chart and you were of the belief, based on your analysis, that the price of the US dollar will rise against the Swiss franc, then of course you would want to buy at that level, so that as the price of the dollar increases, so you would start making profits. And in order to make a trade that reflects your conclusion, you'd say new order, you place the volume, so it's a number of dollars that you would like to buy because you believe the price is going to go up, and then you would click on buy, and then your trade would be executed. And then in order to close it, there are some steps that you would take which would end up with you closing. So this is the software in a nutshell, and of course there are further details of how it works, but I think that the steps that we have taken to download the software, to register your account, are enough to get you started. Thank you very much.